Hey guys, here's a Harbinger 5-inch core belt, as you can see just here. Now this is really good for exercising when you want to keep your lower back stabilized when you're doing weights. So as you can see, here's the belt here. Now it's about that long, and it's got the velcro strap on here as well. So you've got the buckle there and the velcro strap. You would put it through there and then you tighten it up accordingly. Now you want to have it tight on your back so it gives you a core muscle strength without overdoing it. So if I could show you guys here. So here is the small of my back, as you can see just there. And you want to get this around your stomach. So you want to put this around here, like that, in the core of your back. So you want to make sure that you get it nice and tight. Now I like this. A lot of the ones that like you have the leather belts that I find are too strong. This one you kind of close off there and pull to the side. So you see there how it's got a nice strong grip around me now. So you pull it tight. So when you're doing your squats, your deadlifts, you don't want it rolling up and moving. It's probably go slower down on my back. So you want it right in the small of your back, see? Right in there. Do it up, close it down. And there we are. So what you better do now is when I go down squat, my back doesn't move. So if we have a look, I'll just show you guys. So see how it's in the lower back there? So keeps your back nice and straight as you squat. So this is good for deadlifts, squats and stuff like that, where you need to get your stability in your exercising. So yeah, this works quite well. It's a very good belt. I'm gonna go and use it in the gym. I used it in the gym earlier actually, found it to be great. And it just, when you lift heavy weights, like 100 kilo deadlifts, it just stops your body from being able to go out like that. So yeah, the Harbinger 5-inch back support is really good.